In this F250, we've got a single 3-inch universal. The exhaust is 3 inches all the way back. No mid muffler and no mid resonator. So after the cats, it's pretty much free flow straight through, and it's a great sound experience. It sounds really good on the shift, low RPM rumble, which is great. And then when the valves close, listen to this sound change. Ready? I'm on throttle, close the valves. Stock. It's amazing.